Well, looks like we're getting some more high wind today. Took down a tree Friday down the street and stuff everywhere. These trees are really whipping around. Actually, it's calmer a little bit right now. As you can see, my backyard. I've lost a tree. Or not a tree, I'm sorry, a big chunk of my tree. And we're probably going to lose more before all is said and done. We got right near the power line, not a good thing here. So, hear a little bit of whistling, and the sky's not looking too hot. Definitely getting whipped around here. Yet another nice Ohio storm. See if I can pan out a little bit. You can see how quickly these trees are being whipped around. Okay, now it's starting to rain coming in, so I'm going to sign off, and I'll probably check the front here in a moment.